Today, I'm going to teach you how to organize Outlook email using categories. This is a powerful way to keep your inbox structured and make it easier to find important messages at a glance. Let's dive right in. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account to load in your emails. Once you're logged in, give it a moment to fully load your inbox and sync all your messages. This ensures you're working with the most up-to-date information. Once your email has been loaded, to organize Outlook email using categories, start by navigating to your inbox pane where your emails are located. This is where you'll spend most of your time managing and sorting your messages. Now, the process of organizing emails is quite straightforward. Look at the Tags section from your home menu. You'll see the Categorize button. Click on it and email categories will appear. These are color-coded labels that you can assign to emails based on their purpose or priority. For example, you might use red for urgent items, blue for work-related messages, or green for personal emails. You can assign these categories to emails by simply selecting the category that fits best. Now, to organize your email list by categories, look at the top part of your emails and you'll see a sort drop-down, which is set to by date by default. Click on it and you'll see the option to arrange it by categories. Choose categories and your emails will be organized by categories. This groups all emails with the same category together, making it much easier to focus on specific types of messages without scrolling through your entire inbox. It's a simple but effective way to bring order to a cluttered email list. And that's it. You've now set up and organized your Outlook emails using categories, giving you a cleaner, more manageable inbox. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.